Welcome back, traders, to another Nasdaq 100 weekly highs, weekly lows technical analysis video. Now we're going to be picking up from where we left off on the video that we did on Friday, okay, because this is going to be the prep work in preparation for Monday the 28th of October. So we want to make sure that we start the week on good footing, right? Making sure that we take advantage of any opportunities market throws at us. All right, so just to recap as to where we left off last week, when well, not last week, in the last video that I did, right, is we looked at this area over here, which is a bullish FVG that price is currently in right now, okay, and also we marked out these FVGs as well, but the top one has already been tapped and the second one over here is an empty FVG. Okay, so if price continues on its push downwards, there is a probability that it could come down to this one over here. Okay, it could come down to it, and these are the things we want to be mindful of. Okay, now before I go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop us a like. Okay, just click the buttons so that obviously you don't miss any videos that I release, and I aim to be releasing videos as frequently as possible. Okay, so we have one FVG down here that price could potentially go into, okay, but then we also have a bearish FVG up here as well. Okay, so we have a bearish FVG up here as well that price could go into. So that's it right there, bearish FVG where price could go into, but it's currently in one right now. Okay, so the question is, what gives the highest probability of market is going to move in one particular direction supposing to the other? Well, as it stands right now, it is quite difficult to tell because market is in this channel at the moment, okay, and this channel is part of a larger channel that market is currently in right now. So in my mind, this is how I will play it, right? First things first, we have the weekly high that was set on Friday, and that's this level over here, 20587.4, and then down here is the weekly low that was set for us on Wednesday, and that is 19945.3. okay, how I'm kind of looking at how everything is appearing to me right now, I have a feeling that market is going to tap into this FVG over here, okay, and then continue on its way downwards and possibly tap into this one. Then it might push back up again. These are the vibes that I'm going off of, okay, but bottom line is I will only know for sure around midday tomorrow what direction market is going to move in, and once I have an idea as to what market plans to do, then from that point I will see what kind of action I'm going to take. Now everything I've just said in regards to me taking action, this is all hypothetical because in all fairness I'm trading gold, right? So I won't be trading the NAS, but sometimes you get like, yeah, I'll be trading the NAS, but it's not the NAS, it's the gold that I'm actually trading. That is what I'm preparing for. So in regards to how I would do things, I would wait to see what happens. Okay, so the first indicator for me would be if price knocks out the daily low of the Friday. So that's this level right here. Okay, if price knocks that out and continues downward, then I'm going to be okay. There is a probability that price wants to come down to this zone over here. Okay, however, if price rejects this FVG and pushes up and taps into this FVG and begins to swing back down again, then it's fair to assume that this level right here is going to get violated, and we can assume that at best it's coming down to this level over here, and at worst possibly this one. Okay, so how would I play this whole situation over here? If market does indeed bounce off this FVG over here, I will position myself right under it like so when market gets into this zone right here. So once I know it's in this zone, that's when I will tap in. If I've missed it, so it's gone in and then it's flown back down, or it's wicked into it and it's flown back down again, then what I will do is I will aim to do a market buy somewhere around this area. Okay, if I'm able to see it, I will hop in around there and then hopefully ride it all the way down. Now in saying all of that, is important I say this: I am not a financial advisor and I'm not giving you financial advice. Everything I'm saying is purely my opinion, and it's required upon you to do the work, to make sure that if you're going to listen to what I'm saying and just blindly follow it, okay, at least at the bare minimum, you've done some work and everything you've heard makes a lot of sense. If it doesn't, don't do it. All right. So right about now, you should be seeing 2 thumbs. One of those is going to be on backtesting videos in case you need help understanding how to navigate the market. There are simple strategies in there that you can use, okay? And the next video is going to be on the previous video to this one. So make sure you go and check them all out, okay? And I will see you on the next one.